Job interview.
Please come in. You must be here for the interview.
Yes, good morning. Thank you for this opportunity.
Have a seat and relax. What is your name?
I am Lily Thompson.
Okay, Lily. So you want to join our customer service team?
Yes, I saw your advertisement and I think I am a good match.
Tell me about yourself. What did you study?
I studied business communication. I finished 2 years ago.
Interesting. Have you worked anywhere before?
Yes, I spent 2 years at a clothing shop helping customers.
Why are you not there anymore?
They closed for building repairs. I need to find something new.
Do you enjoy speaking with people every day?
Absolutely. I love solving problems and making customers happy.
What about answering calls and chatting online?
I did both at my old job. I am comfortable with technology.
Can you use office programs like Word and Excel?
Yes, I can type documents and create basic spreadsheets.
Your English seems good. Do you feel confident using it?
I do. I can speak well and write professional emails.
Great. Is there anything you want to ask me?
What time does the workday start and end?
We open at 10 and close at 6. You get Monday off each week.
That schedule suits me. What about pay?
We decide that based on how well you do. Do you have your papers?
Yes, here is everything you need.
Perfect. We will call you soon with our answer.
Thank you. I hope to hear good news.
Good luck, Lily. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Same to you. Goodbye.
Buying train tickets.
Sorry to disturb you. This machine is confusing me.
No worries, I can show you how it works. Where do you need to go?
Downtown Chicago. I have never used one of these before.
It is easy once you know. I travel this way daily.
I would really appreciate your guidance.
Start by pressing the big blue button that says Purchase.
Done. What comes next?
Type Chicago in the box or scroll down to find Union Station.
I see Union Station on the list. Is that downtown?
Exactly right. Click on it. Now pick your trip type.
I only need to go there, not come back today.
Then choose Single Journey. What time do you want to leave?
As soon as possible. The sooner the better.
Pick the first option. Looks like one leaves in 15 minutes.
Perfect timing. I see it asking about passengers.
Just tap Adult unless you qualify for a discount.
Adult it is. The screen shows $13.
Now pay. You can tap your card on that square or put cash in below.
Let me tap my card. There we go. It beeped.
Excellent. Grab your ticket from the bottom slot.
Got it. What do I do with this?
Hold on to it. You scan it at the gate before boarding.
Where exactly do I find my train?
Head downstairs. Look for platform number 4 on the signs.
You saved me so much trouble. Thank you kindly.
Happy to help. Safe travels to Chicago.
Ordering food by phone.
Good evening, Pizza Palace. How may I help you?
Hi there. I want to place an order for delivery.
Wonderful. What sounds good tonight?
My family is hungry. I need enough for 4 people.
Tell me what you would like.
1 large pizza with pepperoni and mushrooms.
Great choice. Anything to go with that?
Add a garden salad with Italian dressing on the side.
Got it. Something to drink?
A 2-liter bottle of lemonade, please.
Anything else before I total it up?
Actually, throw in some cheesy breadsticks, too.
Yummy. Your order comes to $24.50.
That sounds right.
I need your contact information now.
My number is 555-3210.
And where am I sending this?
82 Pine Street, the greenhouse on the corner.
Easy to find. Expected in about 35 minutes.
Wonderful. I will pay the driver when he arrives.
Cash or card works for us. Thanks for calling.
Thank you. See you soon.
Enjoy your meal tonight.
Signing up for an English course.
Welcome to our learning center. Looking for classes?
Yes, I want to get better at English.
Fantastic. Can I get your name first?
It is Sophia.
Lovely name, Sophia. Any previous English study?
Just basic stuff from years ago. I forget most of it.
That is common. What part gives you trouble?
Talking. I freeze up when people speak to me.
Many students share that problem. We can fix it.
How do your classes work?
Our conversation course focuses only on speaking practice.
That is exactly what I need. Tell me more.
You practice real situations, ordering food, meeting strangers, stuff like that.
Sounds practical. How often do you meet?
2 evenings per week, Tuesday and Thursday after work hours.
What time exactly?
6:30 until 8, 2 sessions each week.
I can make that work. How big are the groups?
No more than 10 people. Everyone gets plenty of speaking time.
And the cost?
$100 covers 2 full months of lessons.
Very affordable. Sign me up.
Wonderful. Bring something to write with on your first night.
When do we begin?
This coming Tuesday. Arrive a bit early to settle in.
I will be there. Thanks for everything.
See you soon, Sophia. You'll do great.
Airport English conversation.
Hello, I need to get my boarding pass for the London flight.
Good afternoon. Let me see your travel documents.
Here is my passport. Sorry, I am running behind today.
Give me a second to look up your reservation.
I hope I am not too late.
Unfortunately, we stopped accepting passengers already.
What do you mean? The plane is still here.
We must close registration almost an hour before takeoff.
But I made it. I'm standing right here.
I wish I could help. These are security rules we must follow.
The highway was completely blocked. An accident happened.
I truly am sorry. There is nothing I can do now.
I cannot miss this trip. Work is expecting me tomorrow.
Let me look for alternatives. Give me a moment.
Please find something, anything.
Every London flight tonight is completely full.
When is the earliest one with space?
Tomorrow morning at 7, there are seats available.
Can I switch my ticket to that one?
Your ticket type does not allow changes. You need a fresh purchase.
This is a nightmare.
My manager might have options. Want me to ask?
Yes, please try. Anything helps.
Stay here. I will go find her right now.
Thank you for trying.
Undercooked food at a restaurant.
Excuse me, something is wrong with my fish.
Oh dear, what happened?
Look inside. It is still raw in the center.
Let me see. You are absolutely right. I apologize.
I cannot eat this. It might make me sick.
Of course not. We made a mistake in the kitchen.
I was really looking forward to this dish.
We want to make this right. May we cook another one?
Yes, but please make sure it is done properly.
The chef will personally prepare your new plate.
How long will that take?
About 12 minutes. In the meantime, pick something free.
Free? Like an appetizer?
Yes, choose anything from our starters menu.
What options do I have?
Soup of the day, bruschetta, spring rolls, or calamari rings.
The calamari sounds delicious.
Coming right up. Again, I am terribly sorry about this.
Mistakes happen. I appreciate how you handled it.
We always want our guests to leave happy.
This calamari should keep me busy while waiting.
I will personally bring your salmon when it is ready.
Thank you very much.
Talking to a noisy neighbor.
Excuse me, do you have a minute to chat?
Sure. Do I know you from somewhere?
I live right underneath you, apartment 12.
Oh, we are neighbors then. I'm Alex.
I'm Linda. Nice to finally meet you.
You too. What brings you up here?
Honestly, last night was pretty rough for me.
Because of the party? I was afraid of that.
The bass was thumping through my ceiling until midnight.
I completely messed up. It was my birthday gathering.
Happy birthday, but I had work at 6 this morning.
Oh no, you must be exhausted right now.
I barely functioned at my job today.
That is entirely my fault. I should have thought about you.
I just wanted you to know how it affected me.
Thank you for coming to me instead of complaining to management.
We're neighbors. Talking makes more sense.
I agree completely. It will never happen again.
If you do plan something, maybe warn me first.
Absolutely. Better yet, come join us next time.
I might take you up on that offer.
Neighbors should be friends, not enemies.
Agreed. Well, I should let you go now.
Thanks for understanding, Linda. Sleep well tonight.
I plan to. Take care, Alex.
ATM took my cash.
I need assistance with something that just happened.
Of course. Tell me what went wrong.
Your machine outside charged me double.
Double? Explain what you mean.
I asked for $100. It only gave me that once.
But your account shows 2 withdrawals?
Exactly. I checked my banking app right after.
Do you have the paper from the machine?
Right here. You can see the times are just seconds apart.
I see. This is clearly a technical glitch.
Will I lose that money forever?
Absolutely not. We fix these situations all the time.
What happens now?
I create an official report, then we investigate.
How many days until I get my money?
Normally within 3 business days, sometimes faster.
That calms my nerves a little.
Just complete this form with your details.
Okay, filling it out now. Done.
Excellent. Take this reference number. Guard it carefully.
I will keep it somewhere safe.
We will text you when the refund goes through.
Thank you for being so helpful.
Happy to assist. Have a better rest of your day.
Calling about a wrong bill.
Thank you for calling Power Plus. How may I assist?
My electricity bill arrived and something seems off.
What appears to be the issue?
The charge is nearly double what I normally pay.
That does sound strange. Can you give me your account info?
Sure. The number is 772456.
Let me pull up your records. One moment.
I have not used more electricity than normal.
I found your account. Looking at the charges now.
Do you see anything unusual?
Actually, yes. There is an equipment fee listed here.
Equipment fee? Nobody installed anything at my house.
It seems this was applied in error to your account.
So it is a computer mistake.
Exactly. I'm removing it from your balance right now.
How much should I actually owe?
Without that fee, your bill is $52.
That matches what I expected. Much better.
I will generate a new statement for you.
Can you send it electronically?
Yes, it will arrive in your inbox within an hour.
Perfect. Thanks for sorting this out quickly.
My apologies for the confusion it caused.
No harm done. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care.
Need a day off?
Boss, do you have a second? I need to discuss something.
Come on in. You look a bit pale. Everything all right?
That is actually why I'm here. I'm feeling pretty sick.
What is going on with you?
Body aches, chills, and a terrible headache since yesterday.
Did you see a doctor about it?
This morning before coming in, she thinks it's the flu.
That stuff spreads fast. What did she recommend?
Rest for at least 1 day, maybe 2 if it gets worse.
You should not be here infecting everyone else.
I wanted to finish my reports first. They're done now.
Already finished? That is impressive given how you feel.
I emailed copies to the whole team before coming to see you.
Very thoughtful. Take tomorrow off without worry.
Just tomorrow? What if I still feel awful?
Message me in the morning. We can extend if needed.
Thank you so much for understanding.
Health comes first. Nothing here is worth making yourself worse.
I promise to rest and take my medicine.
Good. Do you have a way to get home safely?
My sister is picking me up in 10 minutes.
Go wait for her then. Get well soon.
I really appreciate this. See you when I recover.
Take your time. Feel better.